looking for an accountability system that keeps you on track for the job search? If your answer is yes, I am challenging you to come with me for the 30 days job search challenge journey. I have designed a series of podcasts and videos to fast track your job search. This series offers simple practical steps for job seekers to follow in order to prepare themselves for the job market and land the job successfully. If you follow and apply one tip per day, you can accelerate your job search and find a job quickly. Hi, this is Sasha Namdev here, and I am on a mission to help 10,000 plus fresh job seekers in getting their first job without much hurdles through a strategic, fail-proof job search plan that will work through personal and professional development. I am here challenging you to join me for 30 days job search challenge. Are you ready for the adventurous journey to a fabulous career path that starts from you? To complete your journey successfully, you need a well-defined map. Your well-crafted map or strategies will help you in taking the appropriate actions on time, leading you to a well-informed decisions. Now the question is, why you need a map? My dear friends, the job market is highly competitive. There are approximately 5 job seekers for every single job. Nowadays, employers have opted to be extremely selective, searching for exactly the right match. Job search is a process that is full of lows and very less motivating moments. You need complete focus, well-crafted structure, and accountability system for a result-oriented job search. So, let's begin. Today we will craft a map for our amazing journey to organize a job search. First and the most important step for the job search is to develop a growth mindset and start believing that with enough preparation, practice, and experience you can enhance your selection probability. Let's take job search as a challenging game and start enjoying it by taking lessons from your mistakes. You can prepare your responses, treat each interview as a learning experience, and ensure you put your best foot forward, just like appearance, attitude, timeliness, etc. Because you can definitely control those aspects of the job interview and you can improve with consistent practice. Second important stage in which you assess and prepare yourself. You should focus your job search on positions you feel excited about and companies you really want to work for. This will help you feel confident about the position when speaking to the hiring manager. Your passion for the role will also come across in the interview, which will increase the likelihood of being hired. Third important step is to create your personal brand through strong digital presence. You need to browse all of your social media profiles and make sure that they are complete and position you as a strong candidate for the ideal job. You may need to tailor it with specific keywords that a hiring manager would be looking for if they were searching for a candidate with your skill set. If you need guidance for what keywords to use, search for open positions in your field and identify the keywords that those companies are using. Next step is to sharpen your marketing tools. Your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profiles are your tools in this war of job search. You need to update your resume for the job search ahead. I will advise for getting your job search started, including refreshing your resume and developing necessary skills. Your resume is an official document that is your boarding pass to the interview. One of the most important steps is upskilling yourself for the target job, which most of the candidates missed out. Learning an exciting new skill related to your profession can improve your confidence and energize you. It helps you to surround yourself with people who are excited about leveraging their talents. By surrounding yourself with other professionals in your industry, you will learn about new opportunities. You will also be able to enhance your own resume and show hiring managers that personal and professional development is most important to you. Next step is to learn the art of networking. Networking is the key to the hidden job market. The more people you connect with and with whom you communicate that you are looking for opportunities, the more likely you are to learn about open positions. You may also earn a referral in the process. Last but not the least, we will learn how to search and apply for the jobs you are aligned with, and also how to crack the code of interview. And we will also learn the art of offer negotiation. So, my dear friends, tighten up your seatbelts and get ready for a 30 days roller coaster ride. Now, take a moment and ask to yourself whether you can implement all these things with ease or not. If the answer is yes, then I invite you to be a part of my next webinar where I do work with growth seeking professionals who really want to transform the world around them. Visit my website seshanamdev.com and submit your details, and you will get my future webinars details that I am conducting about. I look forward to help you in your journey. Attend the webinar and then you can decide how to take this journey ahead. Remember, to grow in your career, you have to take action and take actions now. Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. This is Sesha Namdev here, signing off for today. Thank you.